Hello guys, today we will discuss the group by statement by using the SQL, that means structured query language. Let's see what is exactly the group by statement, and then we will take two queries and we will find out what will be the outcome from that queries. Let's see. The group by statement groups rows. First of all, group by statement groups the rows that have the same values in summary rows. That means you have a table, you have a columns, and in a some columns you have the redundant value or the same value, that value will be grouped in single one. Okay, so that is the main thing, that value or that row will be grouped in a single one. Okay, it is often used with the aggregate functions. Aggregate function we have already done that. So that is like count, sum, min and max. We will use that aggregate function in order to find how many rows, sum of that groups, minimum value from that group, that means maximum value from that group. So we will find many things from that aggregate function by using group. Okay, the query is like a select count. I am taking just exactly the query select count CID. First of all, CID will be counted. That means the number of rows comes under that will be give us the number of rows. Okay, not the values, it will give us the number of rows. Then country, we have to select country. From customers, group by country. That means we have to select this column for the group by. That means those values which are the same values will be grouped, and on that basis we will count CID. Okay, so let's see what will be the output from that query. Let's first of all we have to write first of all USA. Okay, let's count how many USA. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 values. That means there are 3 CIDs. That means there are 3 customer IDs or 3 customers who belongs to country USA. Okay guys, after that we will take Germany. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, it will be 3. Then China, we have to group that values. Okay, 1, 2, only 2. After that we have a USA already done, Germany done, India. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 employees lives in India or belongs to India. After that, India, Germany already done, China already done, Australia. Let's count it. 1, 2. Okay. After that, the Australia, the Nepal. Okay guys, so Nepal comes only one time. So that means only one employee belongs to Nepal. So that is the output from that query. Let's count it. Total we have 15 CIDs. That is 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, we have counted correctly. So this will be the output from that query. Let's see some other aspects. Select count CID country, the same thing from customer group by country. But there is an extra thing, order by. Please arrange that values in particular order, that is ascending or descending order. So order by count, that we have counted that values in ascending order. So we have to arrange these values on the basis of descending or ascending order. So here is the ascending order. So we have to sort these values on the basis of ascending order. So that means this will be the first one. Okay, this will be the first one. After that, what will come? This will be the second one, then third. Okay, in ascending order. After that, this will come or this will come, does not matter. Then after that, this will come. Okay, so their corresponding value will be written in the countries. So this will be the output. We can arrange in descending order. We can arrange them on the basis of countries, their alphabetically order, whatever we want, we will have to write here. So this is all about the group by statement by using the structured query language. So in the next video, we will start the stored procedure. That will be the important part of SQL. So we are going to discuss stored procedure. The remaining topics like having, exist, we will discuss later. We will discuss later. But we will discuss first the important topic, that is stored procedures, triggers, then functions. There are many functions as well. So we will go for the stored procedure. If the videos are helping, if my videos are helping you, so please like and share these videos, subscribe the channel, and please follow the playlist which link is under the description. Thank you.